Hello everyone, my name is Victor. I'm here with cultmyk, and today I'm going to show you how to create this effect by using gradients. This tutorial is fairly simple, just follow along and let me know if you got it. Let's begin. Here I have an artboard that is 1920 by 1080. First thing I'm going to do is type in the letter T, and then I'm going to click anywhere and then write down the word shy. And I'm going to do that in all caps. And I'm going to go back to my selection tool, and then holding down Command Shift, I'm going to make this bigger. The font that I'm using is Bebas, B-A-B-A-S. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but this is the one. And I'm going to select bold. Now with the word selected, go to type and then create outlines. Or you could do Command Shift O. Now with the text selected, go to the top and then go to Align Artboard and then select Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Now go to your Layers panel on the right hand side and then create a new layer on the top. Then drag and drop that layer on the bottom of the one that you're on. Now select the word shy and then change the color to white. Once the color has changed, lock that layer and then select the layer underneath it. Type the letter M anywhere on the artboard and then click anywhere. Make the width 1920 and the height 1080. And then hit OK. Now you're going to change the color to black. So double click on that and then select black. Then at the very top, align to artboard and then horizontal and vertical align center. And you should end up with something like this. Now lock the layer underneath it, the one that has the black box, and unlock the layer on top of it, the one that has the word shy. Select the layer on the top and then you can minimize this for now. Next, select the word shy and then go to Object, Ungroup. Once everything is ungrouped, now you have control of each letter by itself, and that's exactly what we want. I'm going to zoom in just a little so you can see better what I'm doing. Select the letter S and then go on the left hand side and select the gradient. Now type the letter G and you're going to get this slider. So drag the shadow just a little bit like that and make sure that this shadow is lining up to the left hand side of the H. Go back to your selection tool on the left hand side, select the letter H and then go to the gradient again. Now type the letter G, and now what you're going to do is move this so that this line of the shadow is lining up to this side of the Y. So I'm going to move the slider just a little bit so the shadow is not as dramatic, and then I'm going to make this just a little bit more to the left, or I mean to the right, and this one as well. Maybe something like that. You can play around with this, and once you're happy with it, go back to your selection tool and then select the letter Y. Then once the Y is selected, type the letter I and then select the letter S, and that's going to copy the gradient from the letter S to the letter Y. So now I think the Y is a little too dark on the right hand side, so I'm going to select the letter G and then I'm going to drag the white a little bit more to the right and the shadow a little bit more away from it. Next, you're going to select the letter H and then holding down Shift, just kind of scoot it to the left on top of the S, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing with the Y on top of the H, something like that. Now select everything and do Command G to group it. Now on the top, go to Align to Artboard and again go to Horizontal and Vertical Align. And now you should have something like this. If this helped you, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you on the next one.